Welcome to our channel, where we are tackling the quest for the perfect salad spinner. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, finding the best tool to wash and dry your greens can make a world of difference. Join us today as we review and compare the top salad spinners on the market, helping you make an informed choice for your culinary adventures. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grips 6 22 QT Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner stands out as our top pick among salad spinners. Designed for ease of use, it features a convenient one-handed pump and a gentle brake button on the lid. The lid also includes a locking mechanism to secure the pump when not in use. With a spacious 6.22-quart salad bowl made of clear, BPA-free plastic and a non-slip base, this spinner ensures stability on any countertop. The inner colander is available in white or green, allowing versatility for rinsing and drying various fruits and vegetables. The lid, constructed from two pieces of plastic, clicks securely for easy opening, cleaning, and drying, which helps prevent mold buildup. To use, simply place greens in the colander within the salad bowl, rinse with water, cover with the lid, and start pumping. When done, gently press the brake button to stop spinning. Marissa Olson, the author, has relied on her OXO Good Grips salad spinner for years, praising its powerful spinning action that effectively removes excess moisture from lettuce, along with its convenient lock-in pump feature for easy storage. Pros: reliable brand name, gentle brake button, one-handed pump, extruding pump can lock in place. Cons: lettuce may get stuck in the small colander holes. Number 2. Cuisinart 5 QT CTG00 SASG Large Salad Spinner. This all-plastic salad spinner stands out with a host of impressive features. Its lid includes a hole and a strainer, allowing you to fill the spinner with water, agitate greens, and then drain water through the hole while the strainer retains contents. An invaluable feature for cleaning heavily soiled greens like spinach, unique among spinners we tested. Sturdy clamps secure the lid during water removal, ensuring convenience and stability. Spin action is controlled by a comfortable knob that turns in both directions, accommodating left-handed users, while the grippy base minimizes movement. There's slight wobbling on the counter, though not enough to cause significant displacement. Remarkably efficient, this spinner left the least water on greens compared to others tested. The sleek, clear plastic bowl doubles as an attractive serving dish, offering dual functionality. However, it's important to note it isn't dishwasher safe, and its bulky knob makes storage a bit cumbersome. Nonetheless, the clear base serves as a versatile serving bowl, complemented by its generous 5-quart capacity, ideal for larger quantities. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this salad spinner ensures enduring performance and satisfaction. Number 3. Farberware Pro Pump Salad Spinner. The Farberware Pro Salad Spinner is designed for preparing generous salads for the whole family, featuring a spacious 6.5-quart capacity bowl ideal for cleaning and drying large batches of leafy greens. Constructed from clear, BPA-free plastic, the spinner includes a non-slip base for stability, a removable green colander basket, and a white lid with a green pump, locking mechanism, and brake button. Its non-skid base, pump, and gentle brake button allow for easy single-handed operation. Simply pump to spin and gently brake to stop. One minor inconvenience is the lack of a drainage hole on the lid, necessitating lid removal to drain excess water. For storage, a locking mechanism keeps the extended pump lowered, facilitating compact storage and stacking. The spacious bowl also doubles as a convenient serving dish once greens are clean and ready for your salad. After use, hand washing is recommended, ensuring thorough cleaning to remove any residue that may cling to the green colander basket, which can sometimes make spotting leftover greens a bit challenging due to its color. Number 4. Westmark German Vegetable and Salad Spinner. The Westmark German Vegetable and Salad Spinner stands out among top-rated models for its blend of innovative design, functionality, and durability. Priced affordably, it offers exceptional value for money, backed by Westmark's long-standing reputation in kitchenware spanning over 50 years. Designed to simplify food preparation, the Westmark spinner excels in drying lettuce and other vegetables efficiently. Its lid features a sturdy, ergonomic knob for easy spinning, ensuring effective separation of liquids from salads or vegetables. A practical pouring spout allows effortless liquid removal. 4 rubber pads on the bottom keep the spinner stable on kitchen countertops, enhancing usability. This spinner transforms salad preparation into an enjoyable task, even involving children. Westmark is so confident in its product that it offers a no-questions-asked money-back guarantee, underscoring its commitment to customer satisfaction. Additionally, the salad spinner is backed by a generous 5-year warranty, providing assurance of its long-term reliability and performance. Pros: high-quality German kitchenware, affordable price, very good value for money. Cons: bulky. Number 5. Xylus Easy Spin 2 Stainless Steel Salad Spinner. The Xylus Easy Spin 2 Stainless Steel Salad Spinner is a premium choice among spinners, featuring a stainless steel bowl, clear colander basket, and a lid with a triangular-shaped handle connected to a retractable pull cord and brake button. This innovative design allows you to spin the colander basket using momentum from the ergonomic pull cord that fits comfortably in your hand. Simply grasp the handle and pull towards you to initiate spinning. To stop, either press the brake button or let it come to a natural halt. The bowl doubles as a serving dish, and any remaining salad can be kept fresh with the airtight lid for convenient fridge storage. The colander basket incorporates AquaVent technology with diagonal spacing and a textured contour exterior, enhancing water removal efficiency. One limitation is that operating the spinner requires 2 hands, one to stabilize the base and another to pull the cord for spinning. However, the spinner is dishwasher safe, simplifying cleaning, and it includes a reassuring 5-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Pros: stainless steel bowl, dishwasher safe, contoured colander basket. Cons: expensive,